Hi, in this video, we will teach you how to install and use a touchless kitchen faucet. Touchless technology allows users to control the faucet in two unique ways: the touchless sensor or the familiar handle. Use the touchless sensor to turn on and off the water, and the familiar handle to control temperature and water flow. Touchless technology minimizes cross-contamination, improving the overall wellness of the kitchen. In addition, the peripheral position of the sensor minimizes false starts and optimizes water usage. Installation of a kitchen faucet with touchless technology. Make sure to turn off your hot and cold water inlets. Install the faucet and the data cable into the sinkhole opening carefully. Insert the small end of the pull-down hose into the spout and feed through the faucet. Remove and discard the protective cap from the spray wand. Ensure that the O-ring and the screen are in place within the spray wand. Install the wand to the upper connection of the pull-down hose. Using an adjustable wrench, tighten the hose flush with the spray wand. Slide the mounting washer up onto the faucet under the sink and secure with the mounting nut. Tighten the mounting nut with the installation tool. Use care to make sure the data cable is not pinched. Use a Phillips screwdriver through the hole of the installation tool to tighten firmly. Thread the hose guide nut to the faucet mounting shank. Insert the pull-down hose into the quick connect on the bottom of the control box. Push in as far as possible until a click is heard. Tug downward on the pull-down hose to test the engagement. Insert the data cable in the data port on the bottom of the control box. Attach the control box onto the hose guide nut until it snaps into place. Connect hot and cold hoses to supply valves. Tighten with an adjustable wrench. Locate the hose weight locator mark on the pull-down hose. Install the hose weight just above the start of the loop curvature. Select the location for the battery holder. Before installation, verify that the battery holder wire will reach the connection on the bottom of the control box. Use only non-rechargeable alkaline batteries. Attach the battery holder to the wall with the provided screw. Insert the battery holder cable into the control box power port. Flashing LED will indicate when batteries are low. Attach the power splitter to the wall with the provided mounting screw. Insert the battery holder cable into the battery power port of the power splitter. Plug the AC adapter into the AC outlet. Insert the AC adapter cable into the AC adapter port of the power splitter. Insert the power splitter cable into the control box power port.